Hi friends, in this video we are going to see simple interest second method. So let us see the statement of the problem. What is the total interest expected for 3.5 years at 12.5% interest on rupees 8,000? So to calculate this, we already know the simple interest formula, that is SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. So in this problem they have given P, which is principal amount, 8,000 rupees, and then they have given time, that is T, and is equal to 3.5 years, and rate of interest R is equal to 12.5%. So we know the simple interest formula, which is PTR divided by 100, and they have given the principal amount 8,000 rupees, time 3.5 years, rate of interest 12.5%. So if we substitute these values in the formula, so we'll get SI is equal to PTR divided by 100, whereas I is equal to P 8000 into that 3.5 years, and which is multiplied by 12.5% interest divided by 100. So in the numerator we will get 3,50,000, and in the denominator we will get 100. So just to cancel these two, so the denominator two zeros and numerator zeros will get cancelled, and we will left with 3,500 rupees. So that is the simple interest which is expected after 3.5 years at 12.5% of interest for 8,000 rupees. So please like, share, and comment for more such videos, and subscribe for our channel to get more these kind of videos. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next video.